Hi, I'm David Ireland, the Wildlife Man. Out here in the wilderness, water is everything. It feeds ecosystems and it sustains every living thing around us. And it's the very force of nature that's driving one of the most exciting, sustainable food projects in Australia. In Far North Queensland, there's a farm called Barron River Redclaw, but it's not your typical farm. Now, this is a climate-smart agricultural system, and it's built on regenerative principles, meaning it works with nature, not against it. Now here, water, plants, and aquatic life are all connected, forming a balanced ecosystem that produces redclaw crayfish, giant freshwater prawns, cherubim, two of the most sustainable protein sources you can produce anywhere in the world. Now, low impact, highly efficient, and incredibly important for future food. Now, what really sets this project apart? It's not just about farming, it's about innovation. Now, this farm is a working research and development hub, exploring aquaculture and aquaponics and new ways to produce food sustainably while sharing the knowledge with others. That's all about education, teaching young Australians, giving school groups real hands-on experience in food production and sustainability. Because if we don't teach that next generation where food comes from, we lose that connection forever. And something I personally admire is the commitment to Indigenous partnership, working alongside First Nation communities and sharing knowledge and learning from ancient wisdom and create real economic opportunities in remote regions of Far North Queensland. Now, behind all of this is one man, Rodney Ingersoll, over 25 years of environmental science and community development, a man that's been honoured by the Queen for his work with conservation and with Indigenous communities. Now, he's not just building a farm, he's building a legacy. Now, here is the reality. Projects like this don't scale on vision alone. Now, to truly make an impact, this farm needs investment. Investment to expand production capacity, to grow more redclaw and cherubim, to meet rising demands. Investment to develop an Australian seafood brand, clean, sustainable and trusted. Investment to expand Indigenous partnerships and bringing this model into more remote communities. Investment to grow agri-tourism and education, so more people can learn and experience where food comes from. Now, right now, the world is changing. There's a global shift to sustainable protein and a growing demand on transparency of how food is produced. Barron River Redclaw is already ahead on that curve. Now, this is more than a farm. It's a blueprint for the future of food. And right now, Barron River Redclaw is looking for investment to take this vision to the next level. Now, if you're serious about backing the future of sustainable food, then this is an opportunity that's worth looking at.